Today we're going to take a look at how to set up notifications in Google Sheets. This is handy if you're collaborating on a document or you have it connected to a form, and it will let you know when a change is made. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Google spreadsheet. This one happens to be connected to a Google form. I'm going to go to Tools and down to Notification Rules. So now I can be notified if any changes are made or when a user submits a form. So I'm going to set mine when a user submits a form, and I can choose when. Do I want the email at a daily digest at the end of the day, or do I want it right away? So I'm going to select right away. This isn't going to be a heavily used form. Save. And then if I would like to add another notification rule, maybe I'm working with a partner and we're editing the document. I'd want to know when they made some changes so we could go and look at it and collaborate about what the changes were. And then again, I could choose email a daily digest or email right away. If that's not what I want, I'll just hit cancel. And then you'll notice here, these are my notification rules. I can edit this rule or I can delete it. I'm going to leave it, so I'm just going to hit done. So now, when a parent submits the form, I will receive an email immediately letting me know that a change has been made and a link where I can access the document. And that's all there is to it.